It's early in the year and people are already falling for different scams just because they believe it's a year to make money and they really want to make it big. Forgetting that scammers will always want to take from you, and one thing they usually do is to quickly come at you and get as much as they can before you can discover that they are scammers. And that's why you need to pay attention to all these 10 investments that you should avoid like a plague in this year. There are so many investments that are legit, even though the return may not be much, but at least you are sure, certain of the preservation of your capital, not the type of investments that you are not sure of the preservation of your capital. You are only optimistic that the return from investments will come to you, not knowing that you are joking with both the return on investment and your capital. So quickly, let's look at these 10 investments that you should avoid like a plague. Number 1, any investment that is offering you unrealistic return. 50% return, 60% return annually, or maybe 15% per month. You should know that that is unrealistic. Even 10% per month is unrealistic, except maybe your own business, your personal business. And that one is not really an investment because that requires active participation. For investment does not really require active participation. It is your money working for you. That's where many people get it wrong. If you are putting your energy, you are putting your effort, you are putting in your time to generate income, then it can give you as much return as possible. But when it is passive, don't expect the unexpected. Don't let your anticipation be on the high side. It is better that it is moderate because it is your money working for you, bringing in money for you, not your energy, time and effort this time around. So any investment that offers you unrealistic return, please just do away with it. Number 2 is unregistered investments. Any investment that is unregistered, it's better you run away from it. You can't even pinpoint that they are registered with Security Exchange Commission, or maybe they are even a third party to a registered investment. Because for instance, Pattern Security posted of recent that there is a new company that is parading themselves as a third party. By the time they come around to say we are a third party to this company, then you need to go and find out, is it true? That's where due diligence comes in. So if they are not a third party to a registered, and those ones are verifying that truly they are registered with them. For instance, iInvest. iInvest is an app that is supported by Sterling Bank. You enter Sterling Bank, you see iInvest. I hope you understand. It is owned by Pattern Security. It is a licensed stockbroker, yet it is supported by Stanbic IBTC, and Stanbic IBTC is not shying away from the fact that they support iInvest. I hope you get my point. So any unregistered investments, please run away from it. Investments with no substance. You don't know what they are doing. Many people have been scammed, especially by these people who usually use Forex as a cover. You hear we are trading Forex. The question is, are they registered that even if anything happens to your investments, they will be able to recoup? You heard of one that happened of recent. One guy that lost $20,000 to one Forex trader. There was no contract that was signed. There was no contract. There was no contractual agreement. That's the end of the $20,000 because there was no agreement in the first place. There was no contractual agreement that, okay, in the event of the loss of this money, I will refund you. So once there is no contractual agreement, that is the end of that money. That is the end. I hope you understand my points. So that is number 3. Number 4, unsolicited offers. Investment is what you should go out to look out for because you are the one who wants to grow your money. So the moment you begin to receive unsolicited offers as regards investment, one thing you should notice is that nobody really wants to show you the pathway to wealth. That this is the pathway to wealth. This is where I'm making money. Many people want to gatekeep. So now seeing unsolicited offer should first of all be something you should be skeptical about. So don't rush into it. Make findings about them. Are they true? Are they legit? I hope you understand. So even if they are coming to you, I don't think any investment banker, fund manager come to you. AfriInvest, Stanbic IBTC, Zenith. I don't even think you have ever entered into a bank and you say that they are promoting their investment banking. They may promote it on their walls, but they don't come to you making unsolicited offers. So you need to be aware of this. Number 5 is pressure to invest quickly. Investment is not an emergency. Don't treat it as one. Investment is not an emergency. So don't treat it as one. So if anybody is telling you this is the last time offer, in the next 24 hours it will end, you will always see another opportunity. So don't treat investments like an emergency. Number 6 is pump and dump. That was what happened to those who bought cryptocurrency. It was launched by some celebrities in Nigeria. It's a pump and dump scheme. They know that people will buy the hype. So any investment that you can see the hype, please, it's a red flag that you should run away from such investments. It is to pump it, then the early entrants, they dump it. The people who have the chunk of the investment, who invested in it first, they just dump, and eventually the rest begin to grapple with thin hair. Number 7 is pyramid scheme. MMM. There's one that is in town now that people are falling for, but definitely it's a crash in no time. The moment you are seeing that this investment does not have a real substance, you should know that it's a matter of time to crash. What are they into? What are they using the money for? What are they investing the money into? If you are investing in an index fund, if you are investing in ETFs, if you are investing in mutual funds, you know these companies will state it. This is what your money is into. If you are investing in S&P 500, for instance, you know that it is the top 500 company in the US. That's what they are investing your money into. If you are investing in Dow Jones, you know what the money is going into. If you are investing in real estate, you know what you are investing your money into. So please beware of all this pyramid scheme in 2025. Business with no financial statement. You hear some businesses telling you, come and invest in our business, we'll offer you 40%, we give you 50%. Ask them where's their financial statements. Now the question is, if they don't have financial statements, how did they arrive at that figure? And they've been in existence for a while. That's just to tell you that they don't have a structure, they don't have anything in place. They are only making promises that cannot be substantiated with any documents, with any figure, because numbers is the language of any business. So which means they are not speaking the language that investors are interested in. So that's why they are trying to make you a rookie investor. They are scapegoats. I hope you understand. So run away from any business that does not have financial statement. They can't even prove it. That's why publicly traded companies, PLCs on the stock exchange, are required. They must publish their financial statement every 3 months. Because as an investor, I should know what is going on with my money. I should know what is going on with my investments. I need to know whether to get out or whether I should even invest more. I hope you get my point. Number 9, guaranteed investment. Any investment that is offering you guarantee that there is no risk involved, it is likely 90% possibility that it's a scam. Every investment, every business has a side of risk. There's nothing that is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. So you need to understand this. So any investment that is offering you that your money is guaranteed, your investment is guaranteed, is a lie. Is a lie. There is a risk. I've taught also many times, there are 2 types of risk: systematic risk, unsystematic risk. Every investment has an iota of risk. So what is the risk involved? So don't let them tell you that there's no risk involved. Number 10 is lack of transparency. They are not transparent with what they want to do with your money. They are not transparent about what they are doing. They don't have a structure. They don't have a concrete business. They lack transparency. You don't even know the real whales behind that investment. Then it's a red flag. So I think with these 10 red flags I've mentioned in this video, you should be able to know, spot those kind of investment that you should run away from in this year 2025. And if you have any addition, you can drop it in the comment section below. Kindly like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we release a new video. Till we meet in the next video, stay blessed.